The last time I swiped my credit card on Fiverr, this happened. Considering I paid $100, I don't like it too much. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. So this time I'm thinking of buying some promotions on Fiverr to go YouTube viral and get rich. I'm gonna take the videos that I received last time, upload them to my channel, and then buy promotion on the videos. We're gonna buy 3 different levels of promotion. We're gonna go a cheap one, a mid-range one, and an expensive one. Let's see if there's a difference in the amount of views that we're gonna get. After browsing around on Fiverr for a while, I came across this listing right there. I will do super fast organic YouTube video promotion for 15 euros. Video promotion to reach a real audience of 10,000 up to 11,000 plus people. I always like it when it's a real promotion. This guy is gonna promise us organic engagement, it complied with the YouTube rules, it helps in video ranking, whatever that would mean. It would be a real audience worldwide and no bots. He's gonna give us 10,000 views through Google Ads, and he promises to do this within 10 days. So let's get the credit card out and let's purchase this right here. At the end of the video, I'll reveal whether the views are real and whether I'm actually going viral or not. But first, number 2, I will do professional video promotion in the USA. So where the other one was supposed to be worldwide, we'll find out soon. This one is just based in the US. This one is going to cost us 45 euros and it's going to promote our video to a real audience so that it will help you rank your video on YouTube better. 5-day delivery, 20,000 people are going to see this. They've got a 4.9 star rating with over 1,200 views and 10 orders in the queue. Among their clients, you can see TEDx speakers, which I'm not sure if that's real, but if it is, it sounds promising. Plus, we can see that this person has many repeat buyers, so apparently this actually works well. Apparently, he's gonna set up a Google campaign to get us some more views through PPC advertising. He's also gonna promote this on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and maybe even TikTok. Now what is interesting is that this person actually wanted me to contact him before I buy the gig, which you don't see too often. This person actually watched the video before promoting and offers between 1,300 up to 1,800 views through his service. Now that actually seems not so good, however, it seems more legit. The other ones will promise you 1 million, 100,000, 10,000, organic, real promotion, this and that. This guy seems like he's legit, he just gives the actual numbers, which would make sense. So let me click continue and buy this too. Alright, now it's time to spend some more money. So this one right there is gonna cost us 90 euros. I will do super fast organic YouTube promotion to go viral video. I always like how they make up the titles. So this will promise us to go viral. That's exactly what I need. Video promotion to reach 20,000 to 22,000 engaging audience, plus gift, whatever that means. This person is gonna promote our video through Google campaigns, backlinks, iframe embedding, suggested video source, ad campaigns, and much more. What stood out here is that that person wanted to do an upsell when I started chatting to him. They have a special gift, which we only find out afterwards, and they ask me how many views I expect instead of them telling me how many views I'm gonna get. That's a weird one. However, let me spend some money for the community. Here we go. Continue and let's buy this right here.
Several days later.
Alright, so the orders actually came in. It's time to analyze the results. And let me tell you, it's an interesting one. As you can see on Fiverr, 2 of them say they have been delivered and then the third one is still in progress. This is the most expensive one. However, there are already views that are starting to come into that video. These are the videos right here. This video right there, we used the cheapest promotion for. This one was the most expensive one, and this one was the mid-range one. Let's figure out if we actually got views. I'm gonna go to analytics to see how it's currently looking, and there you go. That is very interesting. So we're indeed getting views. However, it seems very unstable, very fake actually. As you can see, we just go from 0, boom, up to 1.6, 2.3, 115, 1.6, and then 188 again. We did also gain some subscribers and we do have 129 hours of watch time. As you can see, this also doesn't look too great as there are a lot of spikes, but then they simply dip down all the way to 0 right after. But let me tell you, one video is actually doing very well right now organically. Starting off with the cheapest promotion, this one is actually performing really well. It seems to be getting views from suggested, which means YouTube is actually recommending this video, which is really interesting. And here's why. Take a look at this video. It is not good by any means. Last time in the Fiverr video, I bought this right here, and this was the end result. I thought it was terrible, and I actually still think so. However, for some reason, this is actually performing well. If I go to analytics, you can see in the last 48 hours, it is actually starting to pick up some decent traffic for a video like this. We've actually gained 16 subscribers, which seems to be not so organic, but then from here on, it seems to be organic. So we've gained 4 subscribers from this video. It's also starting to pick up a lot of traffic. This right there is all through the promotion, and then from here on forwards, which basically means we had 600 views organically through suggested videos. That is so much better than I expected, especially for just 15 euros. As you can see, this video is getting recommended on this video right here. As you can see, it's in the next up section on this video right here about the death of Steve Irwin, which means it's actually getting pushed. It's real traffic as of right now. Now for just 15 euros, I would rate this a 10 out of 10 service. This is a great delivery. And you'll know exactly why I say that as soon as I reveal the next ones. This one right there costs us 45 euros. As you can see, this one is extremely dead. There's no traffic at all. Everything's fake and it's not working out well. What you can see right here is that it's getting pushed, right? Then it dies down a bit and then it's getting pushed again, and then it completely flatlines. Now what is interesting, if we go to reach and then scroll down, you'll notice that all of the traffic is coming from YouTube advertising. So that person did indeed do what he claimed to do. He ran ads on their videos. The rest of the stuff is coming from direct, external, and then it's browse. You want to have browse because that's where your videos get pushed. 0.4%, not good at all. 98.2 through advertising is interesting. So he did indeed deliver what he said he would deliver. So in terms of the legitness, it is actually real. However, in terms of the results for that video, there's not that much happening at all. It's only been a few days, so technically it could still pick up. However, if we go to the audience retention, you'll see it's absolutely horrible. Take a look at this. People click off, click off, click off. Basically, no one is left watching the actual video. No chance that this will blow up. Overall, not a good service. I would rate it a 4 out of 10. The only reason I still give it a 4 is because he still did what he claimed to do. And now it gets interesting, the 90 euro one. This one is horrible too. Take a look, 2.6k views, 6 gained subscribers, 11 watch hours. However, as you can see, picks up, basically getting pushed through fake traffic, flatlines, fake traffic, flatlines. As you can see, it's all external. If I can go to reach and I can scroll down, you'll see this is all coming from third-party websites, squarespace.com, Chrome app, Fiverr.com. I'm not sure exactly how they're promoting this. I bet that they're just putting it on some sketchy website. They redirect people to the website, they pay them, they click on the link, and that's it. If I go to the engagement and I scroll down, I've never seen that before. That is the most horrible graph I've seen in my life, and I've been doing YouTube for 3 years. I have many successful channels. This doesn't happen. As you can see, the audience retention is basically just 0, which is just insane. Considering I paid 90 euros for this and only 15 for the first one that is actually getting me real views, this is a total scam. So at the end of the day, this video is getting views. I want to turn this channel into a funny experiment. Let me know which Fiverr gig I should buy next, and click this video right there if you want to learn more about YouTube automation.